What if I tell you, you are not trying to develop psychic ability? You are only remembering something that was always inside you. Pause, have you ever felt that? Many people feel this quiet confusion. They sense energy, they feel emotions deeply, they get sudden gut feelings, but then they doubt themselves. They ask, is this real, or am I imagining it? Why do I feel so sensitive? Why do I know things before they happen, sometimes? And slowly, they suppress it, they ignore their intuition, they silence their inner voice. Because nobody taught them how to trust it. If this feels personal, yes, this video is for you. In this video I will calmly explain how crystals can support psychic ability, not as magic, not as superstition, but as tools for awareness, focus, and inner sensitivity. By the end you will understand how to work with crystals gently, without fear, without force, and without unrealistic expectations. Just clarity and inner alignment. First, let us remove confusion. Psychic ability does not mean seeing ghosts or predicting the future. Psychic ability simply means heightened awareness. Awareness of emotions, awareness of energy, awareness of intuition. Crystals do not give you power, they do not activate something new. They act like mirrors, they help you notice what already exists inside you. Think of it like this: when a room is dark, a mirror does not create light, it only reflects what little light is already there. Crystals work the same way, they help your mind slow down, they help your attention become sharper. That is all. Imagine this. You walk into a room, everyone is smiling, but suddenly, you feel heavy, uncomfortable, uneasy. Later, you realize someone there was hiding stress or anger. You did not think it, you felt it. Or maybe this happens with people. You meet someone new, they say all the right things, but something inside you says, be careful. That is intuition, that is sensitivity. But most people were taught to ignore it, they were told, don't overthink. You're too sensitive. So slowly, they disconnect. Here is something very important. Most of our reactions and habits come from subconscious beliefs. When we constantly hear, you are imagining things, you are wrong, trust logic only. The subconscious accepts this story. And when we repeat thoughts or hear affirmations and subliminal messages, the subconscious slowly accepts a new story. Then behavior starts changing naturally, not forcefully, not overnight. Crystals support this process by giving the subconscious a symbol of focus. When you hold a crystal, your mind says, this moment is important. And awareness increases. Let us keep this simple. Step 1. Choose one crystal only. Do not collect many. Start with one that feels calm to you. Amethyst, clear quartz, or moonstone are gentle options. Do not overthink the name, your comfort matters more than labels. Step 2. Create a quiet moment. Sit comfortably, hold the crystal, close your eyes. Do not try to see anything. Do not expect visions. Just breathe and notice sensations. Thoughts may come, let them pass. Understand this deeply. You are not broken, you are not blocked, you were only conditioned to ignore yourself. Sensitivity is not weakness. It is awareness without training. And awareness can be refined. Nothing needs to be forced, nothing needs to be proved. You are safe, you are learning. In the next part I will explain how to use crystals daily, how to listen to intuition without fear, and how to stay grounded while exploring psychic sensitivity. Stay with me because this journey is gentle and deeply personal. If this message touched you even a little, please like this video, subscribe for more calm, conscious content. And comment below, have you ever felt something before it happened? Your experience matters, and yes, end taksuni. Now let us go deeper, but still, gently. Step 3. Set an intention, not a demand. Hold your crystal, and silently say, I am open to awareness. That's it. Do not say, I want to see visions. Do not say, I must feel something today. The subconscious does not respond well to pressure. It responds to safety. When you feel safe, your intuition naturally opens. Step 4. Short daily connection. Just 5 minutes a day is enough, morning or night. Sit, breathe, hold the crystal. Ask yourself one simple question: what am I feeling right now? Do not judge the answer, just notice. This is how sensitivity grows, slowly, naturally. Let us clear some confusion. Many people try to use crystals when they are emotionally overwhelmed, anxious, restless, fearful. Then they say, Crystals don't work. But crystals are not distractions, they are amplifiers. If the mind is chaotic, awareness will amplify chaos. So grounding is important. Drink water, touch the floor, breathe deeply. Psychic awareness without grounding creates confusion, not clarity. Balance is everything. Here is how this shows up in real life. You start noticing emotions sooner, you pause before reacting, you sense when to speak, and when to stay silent. In relationships, you feel emotional shifts earlier. In money decisions, you sense discomfort before mistakes. Not dramatic visions, not supernatural scenes. Just quiet inner knowing. That is real psychic awareness, and it is useful. Remember this again. Most of our reactions and habits come from subconscious beliefs. When you sit daily with awareness, when you repeat calming thoughts or listen to affirmations and subliminal messages, the subconscious starts accepting a new story. The story changes from, I don't trust myself, to, I listen to myself. Behavior changes naturally. Crystals simply become anchors, they remind your mind to slow down. To listen. To feel. Nothing mystical is forced, nothing is rushed. Let me say this clearly. You do not need to become someone else, you do not need to awaken something dramatic. You are already intuitive, you are already sensitive. You just forgot, because the world taught you to ignore yourself. Awareness is remembrance, not achievement. And remembrance is gentle. Your journey does not need fear. It needs patience. Trust grows with repetition. Clarity grows with calmness. Let this be slow, let this be safe, let this be yours. No comparison. No rush. You are exactly where you need to be. If this video helped you feel calmer, more confident, or more connected to yourself, please like this video, subscribe to this channel for deeper awareness content. And comment below which crystal do you feel most drawn to, and why. Your answers help others too. Thank you for staying till the end. Stay aware, stay grounded, and trust yourself.